Have you ever wondered how milk transforms into the creamy yogurt we enjoy every day? It all begins on dairy farms, where fresh milk is collected and transported to a processing facility. Before anything else happens, the milk is carefully tested to ensure it meets strict quality and safety standards. Next, the milk is pasteurized. This process involves heating it to a specific temperature to eliminate harmful bacteria while preserving its nutritional value. The milk is then homogenized, which breaks down the fat particles and gives yogurt its smooth, consistent texture. Now comes the magic. The milk is cooled to the perfect temperature, and special live cultures, beneficial bacteria, are added. These tiny microorganisms begin feeding on the natural sugars in the milk, converting them into lactic acid. As the hours pass, the lactic acid causes the milk to thicken and develop the tangy flavor that makes yogurt unique. This stage is known as fermentation. Once the desired texture and taste are achieved, the yogurt is cooled to slow down the bacterial activity. Depending on the type of yogurt being produced, fruits, flavors, sweeteners, or other ingredients may be added. The finished yogurt is then packaged into cups, bottles, or containers, sealed for freshness, and sent to stores around the world. From fresh milk to a delicious and nutritious snack, every spoonful of yogurt is the result of science, careful processing, and billions of hard-working bacteria. And that's how yogurt is made.